Hello, welcome back to my channel. Here we go. Don't drive like this. Make sure it's clear in both directions. That's a dick move. Check out this idiot coming out of a gas station. Another close call. Don't trust the signal. See, changes his mind. Ooh, that's asking for trouble driving like that over a solid line, right in the intersection pretty much. You're not supposed to go straight there, buddy. That's a turning lane. The Popo, they're out there. And that's right by ICBC on Weyburn, Claim Center. So be on the lookout, the end of the month, beginning of the month, middle of the month, you just never know. Don't speed, this is the same road. Look at this idiot. Trying to punk me. Playing chicken, I guess. Why are you a dick? And in a Tesla too? Just keep digging that hole for the stereotype, huh? Come on, man. Just move over to the side of the road. I don't understand why people drive and do things like that. If you're going to follow a car into the intersection, not like this. Or not in this situation, rather. Okay, that's why you don't do it generally, unless you have good visibility and you know that you can make it safely from point A to point B. Only then. That car had the right of way going straight, so again, dick moves, turning left. That car up there is on the wrong side of the road. I'm not even sure where he came from. Maybe did a U-turn. Speaking of U-turns, a failed one. At least if you're gonna do a U-turn, do it fully, completely the first time, so you can clear the intersection. At least like that. Another idiot coming up here. I have the right of way, you have a stop sign. Why are you turning? And then you're turning into my lane, essentially. I mean, what the Double right turn. Stick to your lane. Follow the lane that you are in. Okay, use the guideline if there is one. That's a close one. Could have been. Could have been. Always look for pedestrians. So now, this guy's on his phone, he's not paying attention. I'm gonna give him a little honk. People who don't drive make terrible pedestrians. I always say this. Pay attention when you're walking the streets, okay? A little accidente, triple re-render. This happens on Canada Way very often. Very often. People are just tailgating, they're not paying attention, they're on their phones, they're driving too closely. Keep some space and some distance, okay? When you're in the stop and go traffic. Another accident, this one unfortunately was during someone's road test. The car is completely effed. It's game over. It's an automatic fail, obviously. Hopefully everybody was okay, but this can happen. Pay attention. Okay, this is just the approach from the other side. from the back rather. So looks like they went up on the curb and hit the pole. Look where you're going. That's it. That's all. We'll see you in the next one.